Ketewa Ejina Public Accounts Committee wa mwakachi titirani edema seko eye James Kluche Aveji wadi adeshredi eto Ghana ban weni mse wonhwe na afi Ghana Shapers Authorities Act na sembra na wadi bu sa edwumako no wonhwe no nyensa tresa nse Auditor General's report eba afimpini ne aduonu no mu no tresa o manfodo do no ade sa edwumako no eka enti eba sa mo musika semye bibia wonti panifo hwe enyimu nsachrai.
Chairman Adom Public Accounts Committee of Omrashebidwem James Kluche Avezi edi ato aban nanim se wonhwe no nye nsachiremu emfa Ghana Shapers Authority Act ho se ne beboa ama anyumaku a womo enimra so no emra no eni ombedi ne nyonyonyo.
The reason for this is, first of all, the law that will give you the power to charge some of these fees, and we advise that you should work on the law.
We no osoafo no no hwe transport so kweku ofori esiama enso edi tudwa se womo de niema bi egu akwan mu a womo hwe se mrachebeyafo ekọ womo ahomegie mu esan ba womo de bekoto omanim afasa anamontu ehu.
Bill in its draft form is at cabinet, and I'm sure that now that we have resumed, we will be in the House because we are holding a cabinet subcommittee meeting on the matter. I will come back to the House with a final draft so that the Parliament can then help us to amend the portions that we recommended.